Hello. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common C programming error, expected primary expression before token. It can be frustrating, but understanding the cause helps fix it. We'll explore what this error means and how to troubleshoot it. Let's get started. This error usually indicates a syntax problem. C compilers are strict about syntax. The compiler expects a primary expression at a certain location. A primary expression can be a variable, a constant, or a function call. The compiler encounters something different, hence the error. This often arises from missing operators or misplaced parentheses. First, check for missing operators. For example, in an if statement, you might forget the comparison operator. Instead of if x equals 5, you might have if x5. The compiler sees 5 after x without an operator. It expects a primary expression like a variable but finds a constant instead. Second, look at your parentheses. Unbalanced parentheses are a frequent cause. Make sure that every opening parenthesis has a corresponding closing one. Misplaced parentheses can also confuse the compiler. For example, consider the expression A equals B, C plus D. The missing closing parenthesis leads to the error. Third, function calls are common culprits. Check that you're calling functions correctly. Ensure you're passing the correct number of arguments. Each argument should be the right data type. Also, verify that the function name is spelled correctly. Incorrect spelling prevents recognition as a function. This results in the unexpected primary expression error. Fourth, consider the scope of variables. If you use a variable outside its declared scope, the compiler won't recognize it. This produces a similar error message. Declare variables within the correct scope. Ensure variables are initialized before use. Uninitialized variables might lead to unpredictable behavior. This can indirectly cause the error. Fifth, preprocessor directives can sometimes be the source. Check your hashtag include statements. A missing header file can cause the compiler to misunderstand certain functions or variables. This will then manifest as an expected primary expression error. Correct code often has a clean and easily readable format. Indentation and spacing make finding syntax errors easier. When you encounter this error, examine the line where the compiler points. Also, check the lines immediately before and after. The actual error may be located slightly off from the reported location. Use a debugger to step through your code. This helps identify the precise point where the error occurs. That way, you can understand the context and cause better. Correcting this error is often a process of careful examination and attention to detail. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting our work to help us create more content like this. Your support means a lot.